Improvise a little up front when the field is up in the ring. Do something out of the ordinary to trouble him, make him change his game plan.
Oh, hit hard and down the ground. The umpire was in serious danger there. That's a good blow from Shahzad. 4 to the total.
That's much better. Hard, straight drive, and clearly surprised not only the bowler but the umpire as well. Really was well struck. High back left, full wind, and giving it his all. It's got to be a confidence boost for Ahmad Shahzad there, taking it on the rise.
He looks like a nice striker of the ball, Ramiz. A youngster who obviously likes to play his shot. We've seen little starts from him in the previous 2 games, but nothing substantial, so maybe tonight he might be able to push on a bit further.
I think the more he'll play for Pakistan at this level, the better he'll get, because he's got the basic ingredients. He's got the timing, his technique is pretty decent. Seems to have good temperament also, good decent footwork.
Oh, he's got big. He's a man out there, Martin Guptill. Oh, just a little good effort. He's very quick out there. I couldn't stop, and it's gone for 4. So Shahzad is true aggressive. In the over, Pakistan 13 without loss.
Clearly jolted by that onslaught in that over. A couple of very good deliveries to start off the over, and then being bashed for a couple of boundaries. One straight drive and the other one through wicket. Guptill with a marathon try here. Full length dive and almost reaching the ball, but clearly hurt. Kyle Mills, after a good start, softened by a couple of blows.
Yes, he's a fantastic fielder, Guptill. I've seen that this series with his catching, his ground fielding. And a moon to continue. Muhammad Hafiz. Some good experience there. Oh, score of 46. Got 40 in the last game in Hamilton. Looked in good form. Oh, full and straight. And they're going to pinch a single. 151. Wow. First time the 18-year-olds hit 150k. That's impressive.
That is very impressive. He had a look at the big screen as well, and must have been impressed himself. It was a full-length delivery, the Yorker. And clocking over 150 and only at 18. Well, magical start, really.
Oh, it's brilliant. And you could hear the crowd, saw the big screen, saw the 151k up there. And there was a clapping of hands and some cheering. They were impressed as well. Good start with the youngster. Oh, short and wide. This is out. Shahzad will be disappointed. 150k again. New Zealand have a speedster in their ranks, and it's good to see.
Well, they say you can't manufacture fast bowlers. Either they're there, you can't convert a medium pacer to bowl quick. And at 18, clocking over 150 now consistently. What a find for New Zealand. He's got a repeatable action, lovely action, can hit those good patches time and again, so great find.
Short pulled away. That's a good shot. He's a man back, but he won't get there. The gap has been picked perfectly. And Shahzad is finding a way. Beautiful shot.
Well, the improvisation was a brilliant one. He knew exactly what the script was. Milled on the shorter side, and Ahmad Shahzad was in position early there, staying where he was, picked the length up quickly, picked his spot early, and away he went for 4. Tremendous strike.
Oh, he's gone again, same area, and it will be the same result. Touch short from Mill, and Shahzad is into position very quickly. He's off to a fast start.
Well, the guile will come with age. He's still young and apprentice at this level, and once again Ahmad Shahzad staying where he was and picked the length up quickly. This is excellent batting. Good improvisation. Pakistan was second best in the last game when it came to improvisation and thinking quick on the feet. Not this time around. So far it's been good.
Oh, it's gone again. Oh, Shortman wicket had half a chance. And that's 3 boundaries in a row in the same area from Shahzad. He's off to a flyer. And now Adam Milne, who's bowled over 150k twice in this over, is under pressure.
Ahmad Shahzad clearly not hurt by the extra bit of spice and pace that the bowler is generating. Once again, clearing his front foot and hitting it away on the leg side. That's his 3rd boundary in that area. And he seems to have fine for Pakistan. If Pakistan can click at this level regularly in the opening slot, then they can't go wrong.
Go fuller this time. Through the covers. There'll be more runs here for Shahzad. Guptill's after it. With his pace, he'll cut it off. And they'll get 2. Good over for Pakistan. 15 off it. Pakistan now 28 without